I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to record now. Open Notability, pick the note, and tap the red record button. Make sure the app has microphone permission and glance at the input level so audio isn't clipping. Select the pen or typing tool you'll use while recording because Notability links what you write or type to the audio. Once recording starts, speak clearly and pause briefly between topics to create natural markers. This helps when you playback and want to jump to specific points. While recording, use pause and resume to skip side conversations or breaks. This keeps one clean audio file. Annotate actively. Every stroke and typed note syncs with the exact audio timestamp, so your highlights become searchable anchors when you review. Keep an eye on battery and storage because long lectures generate large files. Plug in if needed and free up space beforehand. If background noise increases, move closer to the source or switch to a quieter environment to preserve clarity. Stop the recording and play it back to confirm that audio and annotations are properly synced and audible. Once satisfied, export the note or audio. Choose a note, PDF, or audio file to share or backup. This preserves timestamps for review. If you can't find audio, first check microphone permissions and that Notability is up to date, then verify you had enough storage during recording. If you still have issues, restart the app and retry a short test recording to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.